Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can unpublish your Canva website instantly. So if you have a design that you publish as a website using Canva, for example, I have this one and this is the website that I can access. So basically anyone that knows this URL can visit the website and see this design. But if I want to unpublish the website, then here's how you can do it. First, let's go to share and then click website. And after that, you want to click publish settings and click unpublish website. So click unpublish website again and just wait until the process is finished. Now your website has been unpublished. For example, if I refresh this page, you will see that it's giving me this error message, meaning the website is no longer available. So anyone who previously have access to the website is no longer able to see the document or the design. So that's exactly how you can unpublish your Canva website. If you find this video to be useful, then consider subscribing to this channel and I will see you on the next video.